Previously recorded. That's right, I only use water and oil for this braid out. So I forgot to record the video of me, putting the braids in, but I just figured I'm going to upload this video, and most of you guys know how to braid your hair. Put them in plaits. Now, I only kept the braids in for maybe a day or two, but this is how I walked out to the store to run my errand. I have to have my hoop earrings and a hat and maybe a little pink or red lip. Although I didn't record the actual braids, putting the braids in for the braid out process, I did record the takedown, which is very important. I normally apply oil to my hands and then I separate the braids. I try to do it gently unless I'm in a rush, because I'm really impatient when it comes to the takedown process. I must admit that. Also, lighting makes a big difference. You're going to see me get into some good natural light and you're going to see the beautiful results. My first braid out.